Have you ever arrived at a campsite only to realize you're carrying too much gear, not enough fuel, and a cooking setup that's far more complicated than it needs to be? For a lot of campers and outdoor enthusiasts, cooking outdoors can quickly become frustrating. That's exactly why products like the Tafeida Rocket Stove have been getting so much attention lately. The promise is simple: less fuel, less hassle, and a more reliable way to cook outdoors. But does it actually deliver? Today, we're taking a closer look at the Tafeida Rocket Stove Elite, a portable wood-burning stove designed for campers, survivalists, backyard cooks, and anyone who enjoys spending time outdoors. Instead of depending on propane tanks or fuel canisters, this stove uses readily available natural materials like sticks, twigs, and small pieces of wood. The idea is to make outdoor cooking more flexible while reducing the amount of gear you need to bring along. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, the Tafeida Rocket Stove immediately gives off a rugged and practical vibe. It isn't trying to look futuristic or overly complicated. The design is straightforward, compact, and clearly built with function in mind. The steel construction feels solid when you pick it up, and the overall build inspires confidence that it can handle repeated outdoor use without feeling fragile. Whether you're setting it up at a campsite, in your backyard, or during an emergency, it feels like equipment designed to be used rather than simply admired. One thing I appreciate is that the stove remains relatively portable despite its sturdy construction. It strikes a nice balance between durability and convenience. The included fire poker is a surprisingly useful addition because it makes managing the fire much easier, especially when you're cooking and need to reposition burning wood safely. Small details like that often make a bigger difference than you'd expect during actual use. Where this stove really starts to shine is in everyday performance. The rocket stove design creates a natural airflow effect that helps the fire burn hotter and more efficiently. In simple terms, you get a stronger flame while using less fuel. That's a big advantage when you're outdoors because you spend less time constantly feeding the fire and more time actually cooking. Whether you're boiling water for coffee, heating soup, or cooking a full meal, the stove generates consistent heat once it's properly going. Another practical benefit is fuel availability. One of the biggest frustrations with traditional camping stoves is realizing you've run out of fuel or forgotten a canister at home. With the Tafeida Rocket Stove, fuel is often all around you. Small branches, twigs, pine cones, and other natural materials can usually keep the stove running effectively. That makes it particularly appealing for longer camping trips and emergency preparedness situations where fuel independence matters. Ease of use is another area where this stove performs well. Setup is straightforward, and there isn't much of a learning curve. Most people will be comfortable using it after a single cooking session. It also operates quietly, which may seem obvious for a wood-burning stove, but it's worth mentioning because there are no fuel systems, pumps, or mechanical parts creating extra noise. The experience feels simple and natural. Cleaning and maintenance are relatively easy too. Since the design encourages efficient combustion, ash buildup remains manageable. A quick cleanup after cooking is usually all that's needed to keep it ready for the next outing. That simplicity is one of the reasons many outdoor enthusiasts prefer rocket stoves over more complicated alternatives. Of course, no product is perfect. While portability is good, it's not ultralight gear. Backpackers focused on minimizing every ounce may find lighter options available. The stove also performs best with dry fuel, so after heavy rain, you may need to spend extra time locating suitable wood. Those aren't deal breakers, but they're worth considering depending on how you plan to use them. Compared with other rocket stoves in a similar price range, the Tafeida Elite stands out because of its balance of durability, efficiency, and ease of use. Some competing models focus heavily on portability while sacrificing stability. Others are durable but less efficient when it comes to airflow and fuel consumption. The Tafeida manages to deliver a well-rounded experience that should satisfy most outdoor users. This stove is an excellent choice for campers, survivalists, backyard chefs, preppers, and outdoor enthusiasts who want a dependable cooking solution that doesn't rely on store-bought fuel. However, if your primary goal is ultralight backpacking, you may prefer something designed specifically for that niche. Overall, the Tafeida Rocket Stove Elite solves several common outdoor cooking frustrations simply and effectively. It provides reliable heat, flexible fuel options, durable construction, and a user-friendly experience that fits naturally into camping and outdoor lifestyles. If that's what you're looking for, this stove is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest outdoor gear reviews. And if you'd like to check the latest pricing and availability, you'll find the link waiting for you in the description below.